He's getting ready to take the rear wheel off to change the tires on this bike so they can go test it tomorrow. Okay, I got the front and back tire, the Pro Taper tires mounted. I'm just getting ready to put the front wheel back on the bike, and then we'll be finished. Okay, always clean. Make sure this is nice and polished. Always clean it and slightly grease it before you put it back in. Okay, I'm going to slightly tighten the pinch bolts. And then tighten the nut all the way. Okay, just slightly tighten them with this, just so they hit. Now we always torque the pinch bolts to spec. Okay, we are finished. To find out more about these tires, the new Pro Taper tires, you can look for the test on Swap Moto Live.